Hey guys, Chris and Gina here.
Back in 2019, we were looking for a portable shelter. This thing has been awesome. It's withstood wind, heat, rain, and it's still standing in great condition. So fast forward to now, and we have another tent. This time it's a party tent. It actually should be a little bit easier to set up.
With that being said, we are gonna need an assistant.
We are?
Yes! We got the perfect assistant last time, so let's bring him on in. Harrison's here! Do you remember building the other tent? Yeah. You do? Good, because we are gonna need your help for this one. They sent us 2 boxes. Do you remember building the other tent with us? Do you remember setting it up with all of the long pipes and the tents and everything? Yeah. You do? Do you think you're gonna remember enough to help us with this one?
Yeah. Only if you guys help.
We will definitely. If you help us, we'll help you.
They sent us 2 beautiful boxes. And I like this one better because it's better. And it's long.
Should we open them and find out?
Yeah.
Ooh, good job, dude.
Dave.
It's actually kind of hard with the white ones, so.
Looks like you're doing it to me.
Look at all these wires.
They have to strap it good. That way it stays all intact, right? Because what would happen if there were no straps?
Yeah. Oh, there's our.
Ooh, this is hard. Ugh.
Make sure that you have some strong sticks to cut this stuff.
Hey, I love that you're getting older, son. We can just sit back and watch you do all the work. It's worth a candy bar or 2, right?
Whoa!
Lots of pipes.
Wow, that's nice.
That looks like they're painted gray.
What are you going to use that box top for?
That's for a boat.
A boat?
For a canoe.
A canoe. Are you rowing? Oh, look at that.
Maybe an end cap or a top.
Oh, there's like a blue.
Ooh.
Yeah, this could be one of the sides.
How does it feel? Is it heavy weight?
Yeah, it feels like a real thick,
Sturdy?
tarp,
Nice.
like material. Here's some instructions. You can read those to me.
No, I cannot read all of this. What?
Oh my goodness. Look at all this. All right, Harrison, you said you were going to help us.
Yeah, so the first thing, Harrison, if you can do,
Okay.
start taking all this rubber bands and foam off of that, okay?
Are those heavy, Harrison? Are they?
Rafter pole.
What is rafter?
That means the top. This goes in the roof.
Huh?
Once we get all the poles separated, we can start putting together the tent section. The idea is to put the whole top section together first on the ground, and then put the tarp cover on the top, and then we'll tilt it up and do the legs, and then tilt the other side and do the legs on that. And then everything just gets bungee corded, so it's not too difficult. It looks really easy.
What?
See how it's kind of like bunched up here? It kind of looks like a worm.
Uh-oh, this boat's going to sink.
So corner leg poles, we need 4. We need 4.
You can count.
Well, it was number 2 line. Rafter poles. The rafter poles, we need 6 of those.
Raptor.
Rafter, not raptor, dinosaur. That'd be spooky.
Dinosaurs like to party too.
We're
Yay.
good on that. Cross poles, we're supposed to have 6. 2 leg poles. We're good on poles. Okay. We need 6 feet. Looks like we need 2 of those, so we're good on there. 4 of those.
That's 1.
And then
It's actually
2
different, see?
2 that are a little shorter.
Yep,
And
right
then-
there.
And then 1 of those sways.
One of those.
They have this little diagram right here, and that's the layout of how they want us to set these pieces. So this piece goes right in the center. So
Okay.
once you put it right up there. No, don't do that. Don't do that. So Harrison got all of our side bend connectors and top crest connectors all in the placement that they should go roughly. And now we're going to start putting in some of our rafter poles in between all of these connections.
I like how it says, hey, Terminator, say it. Connections.
So Harrison's getting 3 different sections of rafters together. There is no bolts for these, so they're just slide on. So they are kind of loose. They'll come apart if we're not careful. So this should be interesting until we get the whole thing together to see if it stays together. And then this guy.
Okay, good job.
Kind of interesting when they don't have bolts. That's the only scary part, right? Just in case this falls apart, just everybody beware. Watch your fingers. Ooh, keep your fingers clear. Do me a favor, guide this in that one first. Do this way.
You got to use your hands though. There you go. Now the whole top frame is assembled and Harrison's stuck. We gotta pay our good worker in chocolate to keep him going. So, so he's gonna have a little chocolate break.
So when you're putting this cover on, you just got to make sure orientation-wise that this is on the outside. On the inside, you have all your little holes that you're going to run your bungee cords around the frame. At the center peak, you have these little built-in reinforcements there too to help you figure out which way it goes. You run it through the hole, go around. Yep.
Okay, let's see you do it, Sweet Pea. Woohoo! You got it, babe.
See, that's good. And then
Nice.
Good? That was a good shot?
So let's, fix it up. Yeah. So I'm a builder.
No. Make sure you go around. Here, there you go.
7-year-old.
Here, babe. I'm gonna help you out. Watch, here. Oh. I know.
We have 6 legs total. 2 of them are for the center. Then you have the 4 corners. Now we're putting little plastic feet on. Ready?
Oh. You left you hanging.
Help her go.
Well, Dad, you said that you could do it.
The instructions say that this should take about an hour to put together. Unless you have a 7-year-old, it might take a little longer. I was a joke. It was a joke. I can do it by myself.
Oh, did I just...
Thank you, son, for handing me the pole. Can you give me another leg? Doing this on a breezy day is kind of spooky, huh?
We live life
On the edge.
on the edge. This is kind of cool.
Yeah.
It's got this hook right here.
And then there's holes on the leg.
Right here. It's way easier if you put the bungee with the ball on this side, and then you're able to feed this coming through this way and loop it up and pull it, rather than having the ball on this side. It makes it a lot more difficult. So when you're installing, make sure that it's going this way.
In addition to the bungee cords, they have these Velcro straps in the center poles. and then on the outside of the 4 corners.
It also comes with some stakes, some pegs, some extra bungees, some nylon rope. That way you can tie this down, stake it down. Obviously for us, because it's on concrete, we're gonna sandbag it for the time being. But if we were out at a park or if we had a lawn, which someday, we would definitely use these. So in the meantime, we'll just keep them bagged up and stored away. It also comes with a couple different size bags. That way you can keep your tent poles all together and your tent clean. Well, Harrison, what did you think? Easy, hard, medium?
Easy.
It was easy.
It was.
It wasn't too bad at all. And you know what? I think the quality is awesome.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna work great for some events, some parties,
That's right. It's
some
nice to have.
family time.
It's nice to have all this teamwork.
His school has a lot of stuff. Maybe we can volunteer the tent.
Oh yeah.
That would be really nice.
Yeah.
Church events, we can have potlucks, anything you want.
Garage sales.
Garage sales. Yes, that's exactly what we're gonna use this for. Sorting stuff. So many different ideas. Hey.
Yeah.
Even if you want to order one and spend 2 hours with your family just setting it up
Yeah.
and taking it down, there's an option for you too.
No, thank you so much, Rhino Shelters, for sending us this awesome addition to our little tent collection we got going on here. If there's anybody who's also interested in portable shelters, we'll put the links to the 2 videos that we created and the website to Rhino Shelters down in the description. If you guys decide to order from them, let them know you saw our video and you won't regret it. They have great customer service. All right, you guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
Thank you, Rhino Shelter.
Well, it's the first time the tent's seen rain, and good news, there's no leaks.